Well, here we are. Mama's garden. Only got the little bit of mulch put in. And we got the little stream going over here. Looks like the phlox are starting to bloom. The pinks and the whites. And over here, yeah, little waterfall. Looks like it's all ready for Mama when she gets home. Everything's starting to bloom and starting to look very pretty. What's up, puppy? Are you a cute puppy? Yeah, sure you. Oh, it's a cute puppy. Uh-oh, I see a tail wagging. That's never a good idea. You're a good girl, aren't you? Gee, yeah, you are. Who's a good girl? All right, Mom. Well, there's your garden. She's back up and looking pretty. Hope you enjoy it.